Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a group in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Here you can see the groups option. Click on it. Click on your groups option. And here you can see the group that you had recently joined. Click on it. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Again, click on the three horizontal dots. Here you can see the leave group option in third last place. Click on it. And if you're sure, click on leave group option once again. So that is how you can leave a group in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.